Hello class, welcome back to Numerical Methods and Analysis. Last time, we developed a model that will predict the velocity of our parachutist. And it took this differential equation form. dv dt is equal to g minus c over mv. With the numerical approach, we eventually come up with this solution. And using our numerical approach, that is the Euler's method, we also come up with this expression. Which dvi dt is just this one. This one being vi. Okay, so last lecture we also found out that this one, just composed of the arithmetic, basic arithmetic operations, can be done easily by our computers. However, if we will be the ones to do it, it would be tedious. If you are to consider, if we are to calculate for the velocity at this corresponding time, so that would be very repetitive. And we also observe that if you want to be more accurate, then we need to take a smaller step size. And that would consume double the time and also double the effort. But then again, doing that using our computers would just be easy. Now, the question is, how do we do this one? How do we carry out the numerical approach using our computers? So by that, we will have our discussion on Excel together with its VBA. We'll also have our discussion on Matlab with its M files. So let's now start.